Hi and welcome to p5.js tutorial of how to embed and upload images onto a browser. Okay, these are the images that I've just embedded onto this browser, but before I start, let me show you my folder. Here is my folder right here. I'm using this example folder 1, and this is the image that I'm using. I can use any of these that I've uploaded onto the folder, but this is the one I choose to use. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close this very browser and we'll start another project so that you guys see how to put something like this together. Okay guys, let's start a new tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do is to declare my variables. I'm just going to call that image1. So the next thing I'll do now is I'm going to use function setup. So within the function setup, I will call all of the components I need for this very project. Okay, so the first thing I'd like to do before calling all of these components is make sure you guys have your curly braces though. So let's declare my canvas. So that's going to be the width and height is going to be 1350 by 600. Then the next thing is, see, my variable image1 equals load image, and the image I would like it to load, let's see the name of the very image, and right there, that's the name of the very image. So I'm going to copy that name, copy, and it's a png. Okay, at last, and it's going to be .png. Right, enter a semicolon. So that's the image. So I've actually used the function load image. Alright, if you notice, I'm actually using this function setup to upload this image. In p5.js, I think this method is actually called loading with a callback. Okay, so let's come in here now and let's draw out the images that I've just called. I'm going to use function draw, open and close a bracket, curly braces. So within that function draw, the first one is going to be, I'm going to use that image, and let's say image1, which is the name of my image. The coordinate is going to be 0, 0. Okay, if I run this very image now, you guys will see what will happen. Okay, before we run it, let's enter semicolon there and make sure it's saved. Now click on this to run it. There we go. Okay, you can see the image has actually filled up the whole screen, but I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is to enter the size. Let's make it 200 by 200. So that's what I've just done now by adding 2 more arguments. In total we have 5 arguments: the name of the variable, the coordinate 0, x-axis 0, y-axis 0, and the other one is just the width and the height. So if I save it and run it, you guys will see what I'm talking about. There we go. There we go. You see that, guys? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to then copy this and change the coordinate. Right, so I'm going to change this to, since it's 200, so I'm going to give it space in between, make this one 400, and just save it again, run it, and you see, there we go, guys. You see that? So what I'll just do is copy all of this and just use it to populate the whole browser and just change the coordinate around. Okay guys, I had to speed that up. So these are the lines of codes that we embed the images. So let's save it and run it. There we go. You see that, guys? That's how easy it is to embed images using p5.js. And there's one other thing that I'm very impressed of. If I place my mouse here, look at what happened. You see that? Supposing I intend to add another image, let's come in here and just paste that in there, and just let's copy another variable, or copy and paste and change that to number 2, and this one, the variable is 2. Let me come in here and look for any of my, let me grab this one, copy the name and just paste it in here. There, you see? So I can now come in here, maybe just change that to 2. That is how easy this program is. Okay, so let's save and run and see what's gonna happen. There we go, guys. You see that? That's beautiful, though this image looks very disrupted. So that's how you embed your own image using p5.js. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this program, but before that I'm gonna change this one all back to 1 because I prefer the previous image in it. Then we'll run it again. Save the file. Okay, now let's run it one more time. And there we go, guys. So with that, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.